Transform your writing experience and banish eye strain with Microsoft Word's hidden dark mode. To unlock this visually comfortable feature, we'll start by heading to the File tab in the top left corner of your Word window. Once you've clicked File, scan down the left-hand side menu and select Options. This will open up the Word Options dialog box here. Your primary focus will be on the Office Theme drop-down menu. It's usually located near the top under the General section. Click on that drop-down, you'll see a few options, but for the true dark mode experience, choose black. With black selected, now click the OK button at the bottom right of the dialog box to apply the changes. And just like that, your entire Word interface has transformed. Notice how the stark white background is now a sophisticated dark gray, and your text stands out in crisp white. This makes extended writing sessions, especially in low-light environments, much easier on your eyes and can even help conserve battery on your laptop. Enjoy this power-up for your productivity and comfort. Say goodbye to eye strain and hello to a darker, more focused way of writing.